Welcome to Genius Group Global, the global leaders in attestation and apostille. We at Genius Attestation Services have been legalizing documents since 1999. The world's renowned ISO certificate attestation company, securing your valuable documents till safely reaches your hand. Attestation procedures are incomplete without legalization by the MFA of the host country. Genius Attestation Services provide attestation from the MFAs of UAE, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain. Genius Attestation Services, the destination for legalization. For all inquiries related to certification of Indian issued personal documents like marriage, birth, divorce, transfer certificate, etc., to apply for UAE residence visa, school admissions in UAE, etc., the procedures are: Notary Public Maharashtra, Home Department Maharashtra, UAE Consulate Mumbai and Ministry of Foreign Affairs UAE. Our customer support services are entirely different from our competitors. Our services includes the following: express service. Opportunities never book an appointment in life, they just appear. So if you find yourself in a situation where you have to fly in matter of days, the only effort you need to make is to turn to us to provide you the express and emergency services, and we are going to deliver completely legalized documents in matter of days. Genius Attestation Services, speedy and safe. Direct submission. Genius Attestation Services submits its document directly to the government offices concerned. Many people choose travel agencies and typing centers to submit their valuable certificates and documents, and many resort to middlemen to gain access or submit documents. By not choosing a trusted service provider like Genius Attestation Services, they unwittingly compromise safety and security of their documents. People relying on agents, typing centers and travel agencies are unaware that to get a status of their documents update, these agencies have to contact multiple number of agents, and most of the time their inquiries are never met with an affirmative reply. When you choose Genius Attestation Services, you choose peace of mind. Find Genius wherever you go, whether it is India, UAE, Qatar, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, UK or USA. We have our offices there. We have staff in more than 100 offices worldwide, providing you with the same customer service no matter wherever you go. Genius Attestation Services, the global leaders in attestation and apostille. Tracking and live chat facility. Our staff is dedicated in providing you support both online and by phone. Our team is available 24/7 to assist you. Genius Attestation Services, anytime, every time. Beware of fake attestation. Avoid live ban abroad even before boarding your flight. Attestation and authentication procedures are very complicated. Due to these complications, travel agencies, sub-agents and agents choose easy way out because the duplicate attestation is a low cost and time-saving procedure apart from being outright fraud. Many agents carry out fake attestation on original certificates without the knowledge of certificate holder. Some departments do not check the originality of the previous attestation before doing their own department's attestation on certificate. Presently, there is no online facility available to check the originality of authenticated documents, and hence most of the time fake attestation go unnoticed. Hence, even the document owner is incapable of detecting a fake attestation. Usually these fakes are caught while submitting the documents to a prospective employer. Result: life ban. Once a certificate with the duplicate attestation or authentication seal and signature by authorities are apprehended, the document owner will be charged under the law and convicted. This is because the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is concerned with the genuinity of the attestation on the document. Fake attestation amounts of duping the government and is not tolerated. Many such cases have come to light in the Middle Eastern media. The punishment will be handed to the document owner and not the agents. Moreover, if these documents are seized in the Middle East or Europe, it results in a direct life ban in all the countries, as immigration information is shared by all the countries. Thus, your dreams and hopes for a better life will disappear forever. Think twice before submitting your original certificates to an unknown agent, travel agencies or typing centers, etc. for attestation, because when you give your original documents to an agent, not document professional, you are risking your future. Genius Attestation Services, the name brand trust. Document complications. Certain documents may have factual errors like spelling mistakes, wrong addresses, etc. Our hands-on expertise coupled with years of experience will guide you with how to attest these documents. Genius Attestation Services for expert advice. Corporate client. The clientele of Genius Attestation Services include Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Microsoft, IBM, Middlesex Universities, Emirates, just to name a few. They have found strategic and cost advantage by choosing us as their service providers. Genius Attestation Services, the name brand trust. Free pickup and drop services. We offer free pickup and delivery services across the Middle East. We have a dedicated team of pickup and delivery, so you don't have to worry coming over to our office to submit your documents. Genius Attestation Services. Your documents are in safe hands. Value for money. When it comes to prices, Genius Attestation Services provides you with the best value for money prices. You can be rest assured that you will never find a better service provider than us or a better price than ours. Genius Attestation Services, better than the best. ISO 9001-2008. The ISO certification is a proof of our unparalleled customer service and expertise. So when it comes to legalizing documents, our service speaks for itself. Genius Attestation Services, quality is our middle name. Trusted courier service providers. We bank on trusted courier services companies like DHL, FedEx and Blue Dart. This in effect enhances the safety and security of the bulk movement of our documents. Genius Attestation Services, safe and secure. Multinational staff. Our staff is drawn from different countries of the world. So no matter what language you speak, you will find our staff well versed to handle your queries in your native language. Genius Attestation Services. We understand your needs. International delivery. Once you submit your documents to our office, the attested or apostille documents can be delivered anywhere internationally. For example, if you submit your document in India and want delivery in the UAE, we will do so free without any extra charges. Moreover, in some cases, when employer requests for attestation of documents and the document owner is in another country, we will deliver attested document to the employer anywhere in the country where Genius Attestation Services is located. Genius Attestation Services, wherever you go. End-to-end legalization. Attestation and apostille procedures are incomplete without legalization by the MFA of the host country. At the moment, Genius Attestation Services provide attestation from the MFAs of UAE, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain. Genius Attestation Services, the destination for legalization. Expert advice. Traveling abroad for work or study for the first time is a whole new experience for many. Requirements change from country to country. Does the company you choose have a team of sales and marketing executives to give you professional advice? The staff of Genius Attestation Services is drawn from different countries around the world. Our team of sales marketing executives will provide you with expertise that is unmatched in the industry. Genius Attestation Services, expertise unparalleled. Call our offices for free evaluation and inquiries concerning your document hassles. We serve you the best.